Hello, everyone. We're going to the beach today. Remember, mechanicals, only take what we need. Huh? Oh. Garage doors open wide. It's time to go to the seaside. Go, Tilly tow truck. Green can't wait for an ice cream. Oh no! Vicky's broken down. Let's take a look. I see the problem. Let's tow you to the beach and I'll fix you there. Are you all right, Tilly? If you need to take a break, that's okay. Spinning screwdrivers! Now we're stuck. We'll get you home, Tilly, but first we have to help Vicky. No wonder you're feeling tired. A brand new spark plug is what's required. You'd best get going, Vicky. We'll just have to go to the beach another day. We need to fix Tilly. Hi, Trevor. Would you be able to help us, please? I have an idea. Thanks, Trevor. Good as new. Our dear friend Tilly, we love you the best. Now what you need is a well-earned rest. But first, go outside. You all deserve a special treat. Ta-da! If we can't go to the beach with our friends can bring the beach to us. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We've just dug this big hole so I can repair a leaky water pipe. Come on, mechanicals. Let's get you cleaned up. It's nearly bedtime. Thanks for your great work, Eric. All clean, mechanicals. Don't worry, mechanicals. There aren't any scorpions here. Spinning screwdrivers! It's a giant scorpion! Wait! I know what's going on here. Come on, you lot. Things aren't always what they seem. First, let's get all this mud off you. See, mechanicals? It's not a giant scorpion. It's our friend Eric. Now let's get your digger arm repaired. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. Screwdriver, wrench. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on, mechanicals, there's no time to lose. Let's undo these great big screws. The hydraulic pistons make Eric so strong. Let's put these new ones where they belong. You're all fixed and ready to roll. Just don't fall back into that big hole. Great work, mechanicals. We made Eric strong and powerful again. Bye, everyone. All done, mechanicals. It's Christmas Eve and the garage looks perfect. Do you all know what you want from Santa? Oh, you don't know, Blue? Well, you'd better decide. Santa will be here soon. Oh, whoa! I didn't think he'd be here that soon. Hello, Santa.
Gecko, I need your help. My reindeers are ill, so my sleigh won't fly, and I need to ride it through the sky. If I don't deliver all these toys, there'll be no Christmas for the girls and boys.
Don't worry, Santa. We'll get it flying. That's it.
Christmas is saved by Gecko's crew, so here's a gift for each of you.
Just what I need. Thank you, Santa. Have you decided what you want, Blue?
Oh, you want to ride upon my sleigh? Then hop on board. Let's fly away. Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, Merry Christmas from all of us here at Gecko's Garage.
Merry Christmas.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're at the beach for some rest and relaxation. Whoa! Careful with your belongings, Blue, or you might lose them. Oh, fantastic work, Eric and Dylan. And you too, Blue.
Hola, Gecko. What a spectacular sand garage.
Thanks, Cat. Did you find any buried treasure with your metal detector?
See, whenever my detector finds something made of metal, it makes this sound.
Amazing! It's a treasure trove. Ah, what a perfect end to a great day at the beach. Time to go home. Rusty wrenches! Where are my garage keys? Did they fall in the sand?
The keys are made of metal. Let's look for them with my metal detector.
Great idea, Cat.
Ah, there. I think your keys are inside the sand garage.
Inside? I must have dropped them while making the sand garage. Thanks, Cat. Now to get them out.
Hurry! The sun is setting and soon it will be too dark to find them.
Hang on, Red. Our friends Eric and Dylan worked very hard on this sand garage. Digging might destroy it.
If only we could pull the keys out without breaking the sandcastle.
That's it, Cat. We can use a magnet to find the keys. But we're going to need some help. What tools do we need? Wrench, screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. A magnet instead of spades and hands will pull the keys through the sand. We'll attach this magnet to Eric's arm to reach the keys without doing harm. Eric's arm will help us reach the keys hidden underneath this beach.
Meow wow! That must be the keys.
Yes, indeed. This way, Eric. Phew! We got the keys! And the sand garage is safe. Now let's head on home. Wait, where did Blue go?
We might need a bigger magnet for this one.
I think you're right. Goodbye, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage, everyone. We've just been installing our emergency alert system. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. Go, Tilly tow truck! It's Eric, the excavator! I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar trap. Oh, Blue, I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach! And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye! Almost back at the garage, Mechanicals. Whoa! Someone's dropped rubbish on the road. There's lots of it. And Mama Recycle does not look happy. Come on. If we follow the trail, we'll find out who's dropping it. The trail goes to the left. It's Dylan, the dump truck. His broken tailgate's dropping litter. But his music's so loud he doesn't notice. Mechanicals, We've got to turn down Dylan's music. Let's recycle and save the day. Using things we've thrown away. Dylan!
Oh?
Your tailgate's broken. But don't worry, I'll fix it. While Mama Recycle and the mechanicals sort the rubbish. All done. How's the recycling going? See you again soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Dylan, turn it down. Ah, it's so nice to have a holiday. I love camping. The fire's getting low. Yellow, could you grab some more firewood, please? Then it's time for a story. I think the storybook is in the caravan green. Thank you, Yep. Wait a moment. These are the wheel stops, which means... Quick! Catch that caravan! Hey! Oh! There must be a way to stop this! Phew! Thanks, Green! Spinning screwdrivers! Hooray! Nice work, Tilly! Oh, good job, everyone! Panic over! Yes, Green, it is story time now. See you next time. Bye! Oh, hello, everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage. Oh, it's Bobby the bus. He's stuck. Oh. This hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. Oh. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea. Hee! It worked. Hang on, Bobby. You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Christmas, everyone! Spinning screwdrivers, Mechanicals! This door is really stuck! Was that you, Tilly? Look! It's Trevor the tractor! Oh, sounds like you could use our help! Follow me! Nuts and bolts! I can see the problem already. We need to repair your gears. Mechs, we'll need some gear oil and Grandma Gecko's super strong wrench. You need strong muscles to clench to lift up this wrench. Ah, there. That's better. Those are some cosy cogs. Try it now, Trevor. Tractors need strong gears to push and pull heavy loads. Perhaps Trevor could use his strength to help us. Pull away, friends! Hooray! Great job, team! See you again soon, Trevor. Bye!
Pass me a wrench, please. This bolt is loose. We best get going, Tilly. We don't want to be late. Oh, no. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in...
Good morning, Mechanicals. Up bright and early for a new day's work. Blue? Nuts and bolts. I think he's sleepwalking. Wake up, Blue. A garage is not a safe place to be sleepwalking. Blue? Blue!